Hey now, today I'm going to be changing out my shackles and doing an upgrade, upgrading them to these Sulastic shackles. They're supposed to help the ride quality with this rubber up in here. It's supposed to dampen some of that. So let's quit talking and let's get her underway. Alright y'all, first thing we're going to want to do is take this towing package off. This towing package gets in the way of the lower shackle bolt coming out. And so you're going to have 8 bolts. You can have one here, you can have one down there. Already took those two. Already took both the bolts on either side off. And then you have 2 bolts up here, right here by your receiver. They're 22mm and 18mm heads. Except for this bolt right here. This bolt right here is a 22mm. We're gonna go ahead and pull it off. Make sure you disconnect your connector right here. We're gonna pull it off and we're gonna get it out the way before we jack the truck up. Alright y'all, I just got all the bolts out except for 2 holding it right here. These are hand tight. Went ahead and got the rest of these bolts. I hope y'all's exhaust setup ain't like mine, to where it's right underneath the towing package. Getting these bolts up by a ratchet takes quite a while. But this right here, it has a little retainer on it. Right here, let's get this little retainer. And then this plug, you just right here, click that, it'll come on out. Alright y'all, after we done dropped that, as you can see, we can get right on that bolt now. But we're also going to go ahead and take these shocks off so we don't overextend them. We're going to go ahead and drop them so we can get full droop on these leaf springs. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, I've got a different change of clothes on. We got rained out last time and just a whole bunch of stuff came up, so we had to kind of postpone this. But as you can see, I went ahead and got this truck on jack stands. Got the tires off because we're going to have to be drooping the axles, getting the weight off those leaf springs to be able to get them shackles out. Right now, the axle wheel droop all the way. I've got these 12-ton jacks going up to the frame and some 4x4 posts I cut underneath to give it a little bit of height. But right now I just got the jack underneath the axle, just kind of holding a little bit of weight. But now we're going to go ahead and take the bottom shackle bolts out and be ready to get the shackle out. The trick to getting these bottom bolts out is to, take your nut off and all that, but actually jack it up so you're putting weight on the jack, so that way you ain't fighting the weight of the axle and the leaf spring and all that torsional stress. You pick it up and it should just slide right out. But now that we got this bottom bolt out, this top bolt already took the nut off. We're gonna jack it up above the frame. I'm gonna take the bolt out and take the shackle off. Alright, now that we got the old shackles out, we're gonna be measuring up to these new ones and see where we need to put these washers at. See how many each one will take, and we'll get ready to go ahead and stuff it back in. Well, I went ahead and got the top bolts in. The measurement just looked like I just needed one of those washers at the top. So I put one on the outside and I did the same on the other because these are the symmetric shackles. It didn't look like I needed any on the bottom, but we're gonna go ahead and drop her down and check. Make sure we don't. Alright y'all, well, got good news and I got bad news. Good news is it's in the truck and the truck's sitting on the tires. Bad news is the shackle is actually hitting my bracket and I don't want to have to cut the bracket and risk the structural integrity of it. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and put my old shackles back on. You know, set it fit. It's a 2500, but it's a non-HD. It's still got a C-channel frame. It's not the box frame like the HDs have. And I think that's the difference. I looked around at like the HD brackets, and they don't have there's a little support brace in the back. That's why I don't want to cut it, because it looks like it's structural, and I don't want to damage the integrity of it. But if you have an HD, it will work, like a 2500 HD or 3500 HD. Yeah, we'll be able to go in and put the shackles in just like I did, and it won't hit like mine is. Mine is unfortunately hitting, and it's just how it goes sometimes. I guess I'll just have to save them for whenever I get an HD or something like that. But probably gonna go ahead and end it off here. I mean, I'm just gonna be putting the old shackles back on. You know, I kind of debated on even finishing this video because of that, but you know, maybe somebody will find this funny or whatever. Hi, didn't work or what have you, but maybe y'all can get some use out of it. If y'all have a non-HD, or if y'all are thinking about doing this on an HD truck, hopefully it'll help just a little bit. But yeah, let me know. Talk to me in the comments. But anyways, I'll catch y'all later.